Today we are going to fix some rust, and I have no freaking clue what I'm doing, so this can be fun. Well, I destroyed my car as well. But well, the good news is, well, we don't have any good news, I'm sorry, but it's rust here all the way down here. So that's why we needed to remove the rear bumper, and we have the same problem here, so it's rust under here as well, but it's much healthier around here, so that's a good thing. And well, I think we have everything. We have white color, exactly the same color as my car. We have the clear coat, and we have the rapid epoxy grounding primer. And well, I have never done this before, so this can be very interesting. It can end in a disaster, so stay tuned. And by the way, all we need now is some mud flaps, and we have ourselves a well, rally-ish drifting A3. This is fun. Well, I did notice that I needed to, well, sandpaper all the way down here, so hopefully I can remove this one in one piece. So, well, it's very sketchy, and some previous owner that maybe did something with this fender, because this one is totally crap. Probably took away this one as well, and well, only attached it with a two-sided tape. Well, yeah, I think it's two-sided, because the clips is gone. It's only tape here. It's in one piece at least. Maybe this was overkill, I don't know, maybe. I know, my brakes are crappy. Well, this one is actually very, very good condition compared to the other one. But well, I tried to make a video from it, but I couldn't remove this part here. So that was a real pain in the ass. So I'd rather pay someone to remove it so I don't get a headache. So let's start sandpaper. Normally I hate to scratch my car, but well, this is against my nature. So this will hurt. Well, no turning back now. This will take ages. Well, I'm not a pro, but this seems pretty decent, and well, yes, I did some more. Well, that one and that one wasn't going to happen, so now I need to paint all the way like that, and well, a little bit here. Crap. Next we have this one. So let's keep sanding. I found something very bad. So look at this. This is real bad. And I do not know what to do with, well, this one. Should I do everything? Or just this one and have this like a, a small defect on the car? Well, I did a behind the scenes stuff, so you didn't need to see all the boring stuff. So I have heard that cleaning the surface is extremely important. So isopropanol 50% on the surface. So hopefully we will have a good end result. Everything is cleaned, so fingers crossed that I will be doing this on the correct way. So let's take the epoxy, rapid epoxy, well, primer on the surface. Let it dry. Take a second one, just a little one, and let's go on with some paint after that. So. Now it has gone like 1-2 minutes. Let's do the second layer. And well, I know I'm not a professional, so don't listen to me. I like your... Jesus fucking Christ. I like your t-shirt.
Oh, sorry.
So, all done.
Yeah.
How many layers?
3.
I put on 2 of the epoxy.
That's enough. And the clear coat 4. And then it's good.
You think? Well, let's try. Because I'm a noob cake. It's white.
White? Okay, it's white.
It's more white than gray.
White there, brown there.
Dirt, dirt, dirt. I have a really messed up idea. So, shall we spray paint the grill white? Just because we can. And of course, these ones as well. Let's say like this. You guys decide. If you say white, it's going to be white. The whole car will be white. No black things.
White fenders.
Is there any white tint?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
White window tint as well.
Yeah. White brakes.
Everything white.
White.
Let's make it a snowball. So yeah. So hopefully I get at least one comment. Or else this is a bust.
That comment is white. It's white.
Yeah, white. White board, white everything. I should hire you. I should
You're gonna
hire you.
hire me. You're gonna pay me because I'm not free. Now it's free. But if I'm employed, I'm gonna need money.
2K a month.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can pay
Hopefully
me.
my company can afford you to pay 2K a month.
Maybe.
So what do you think? How many layers?
I'm gonna take
4?
4.
Well, I never done it, so it's
You do it.
you do it. Well, I did notice now I have failed with the preparation. God damn it. Well, it's white at least. Well, when we are bored at the garage, when we are waiting on the well, clear coat to, well, yeah. Bam!
Dum! Nu! Åh jävlar, de smäller gött de här ju. Nu smäller det.
It goes boom! It's, well, this is white. This is like cream or something. Shit. Well, it's the same color code, so that's strange. Well, you can almost not see it in the camera, but the original dirt on the, well, edge and the new paint down here. It has not fully, well, hardened yet, but well, yeah, and yeah, we do need to polish this car pretty bad, so hopefully we can polish this so it's the same color, because the original color is pretty dirty, so hopefully it will be the same color. So it's like Mr. Adam said, it's dirt from the tape, so hopefully that stupid well, mark or, well, line will get rid of. And yeah, it's a little bit of how can I say it, well, orange peel, but hopefully we can wet sand that away, hopefully. But no, it just need to be hardened. And today it's day 2. Well, today it's the same video for you, but for me it's a new day, and the well, paint, it's not dry yet. It's been, I think, 14 hours ish, and it's not completely dry yet, so that's very strange. It's better than before, but the car needs to be polished, and we need to wet sand this one because it's orange peel paint. That sucks, but well, hopefully we can get rid of the difference of the paint, because it's the same color code as the car, so hopefully. And well, yeah, this one is going to get back to very rusty in, well, maybe 1 year or something, because well, it's I couldn't get it clean, unfortunately, so yeah, but it's better, and well, this one I will take another time. Now to the last part, assembly the whole car. I don't really know if well, it's assembled dry, but well, yeah, I don't have time. I've been in the garage since Friday. It's Sunday now, so it's not a new car, so little defects here and there, don't care. But, well, it's a lot better than before, so I'm happy. Well, now to assemble the rear bumper to the car, we are going to be needing push that one and that one, that hole and that hole, and you gotta, well, have this screw or bolt through a hole here all the way to here. So that's fucked up. Well, this vlog is finally over, or well, this vlog is finally over, the weekend is finally over, or well, the hard freaking work on the car is over, and well, I'm pretty pleased, and well, if you like the video, press a thumbs up, and what do you think about the complete everything white on my car? Thumbs up or thumb down? Write a comment. And I also do have another question for you guys. Should we start selling merchandise, like maybe a hat or maybe a shirt? Well, this is a jacket, but well, a hoodie. Let me know, and I will try to design something and post it on my Instagram. So have a great one, and we'll see each other in the next one.